In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accurately record a bank deposit refund in QuickBooks Online. This step-by-step guide will make the process seamless, ensuring your records are both precise and up-to-date. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in with your credentials. This is where everything begins. Once logged in, you're presented with the QuickBooks Online dashboard, the central hub for all your accounting tasks. Here, you'll notice a variety of options and features, all designed to streamline your bookkeeping efforts. To start recording your refund, keep your focus on the left-hand menu. You'll find a button labeled Plus New. Click on this button and a menu will appear showcasing a variety of actions you can perform in QuickBooks. From this list, look for the option titled Bank Deposit under the Vendors section. Clicking on Bank Deposit will direct you to the right screen where you can input the details of the refund you're processing. Now let's choose the correct account and vendor. At the top of the screen, you'll see a field for selecting the account where the refund will be deposited. Ensure you choose the correct bank account. This should be the account that actually received the refund. Next, in the Received From field, select the vendor who issued the refund. It's crucial to ensure that you're selecting the correct vendor to maintain accurate records. With the account and vendor chosen, it's time to enter the refund details. First, select the method by which the refund was received. Whether it came in as a check, cash, or bank transfer, accurately reflecting the method of payment is important for your records. Next, locate the category or account field and add the appropriate category or account. Most of the time, this will be the same expense account to which the original purchase was posted. This step is key to maintaining coherent and traceable financial records. In the amount field, enter the precise refund amount. Don't forget to include a memo if there are any additional details or notes pertinent to this transaction. Once you've double-checked everything and assured accuracy, it's time to finalize the transaction. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice two options, Save and Close or Save and New. Clicking Save and Close will store this transaction and exit the screen, while Save and New allows you to record additional transactions without returning to the main menu. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a bank deposit refund in QuickBooks Online. By following these simple yet crucial steps, you ensure that your accounts remain accurate and reliable, reflecting the current state of your finances at all times. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.